Hello students, let's try to understand our concept student. They are saying the end point of redox titration KMnO4 versus oxalic acid can be indicated by which observation? Appearance of purple color, that is the correct one student. Disappearance of brown color, no. Disappearance of no. Appearance of purple color is correct student. When we first add potassium permanganate to an oxalic acid containing conical flask, it discharges and the solution remains colorless. When we first add potassium permanganate to an oxalic acid in conical flask, it discharges and the solution remains colorless. The end point is indicated by purple color due to an excess of unreacted potassium permanganate after complete consumption of the oxalic acid ion. Purple color. The solution containing permanganate ion or purple solution containing MnO4 minus ion are colorless. Permanganate solution is decolorized when added to solution containing reducing agent like oxalic acid. What the point they are saying, student, if you can understand. Solution containing MnO4 ions purple and solution containing MnO4 minus ion are colorless. Permanganate ion is decolorized when added to a solution containing reducing agent like oxalic. When there is an excess potassium permanganate in solution, it turns purple. As a result, MnO4 acts as a self-indicator in a solution. So correct option is option number A, student. That is end point is appearance of purple color. That is. Thank you so much for watching, friends.